Nous allons faire question yo. Chaque monde. OK. Bay moun yo une chance pour répondre tout parce que ça va dire est-ce que moun dit une réponse ou moi c'est ça li. M'pa pas dire réponse ça tout le temps. Tout le monde yo pas dire qui ça a choisi. Nous d'accord?
Yes.
Et pas quitter on réponse au monde affecté pour là parce que chaque monde comprend des bagages différents parce que ou pas quitter réponse monde non influence. Ce connaissons l'autre apprend pas côté monde est-ce qu'il dit ça ou même pour choisir le tout. OK? Alright, on allait dans la première question. Lily, et de dire que ça ne passe. You start, which of the following is not a characteristic of a term life insurance? A, provide temporary protection. So now, this one say, which one is not a characteristic? Ça veut dire, si qui ça qui pas la donne, ça veut dire qu'il y a trois qui bon. Which one is not? Trois c'est vrai, associé avec terme non, il y a une qui pas la donne. Les affaires l'application, mais je ne comprends pas bien. Which of the following is not? One of them is not. All of them is on it. Tout bagage ça la donne except une pas la donne. On allez.
I got D for number 1. D as in David.
OK. M'besoin faire l'autre monde répondre.
I get the same D.
Après ça, don't be surprised if I know why no. I thought teacher. Don't just speak for tell me why. Why did you take it? C'est ça, examen besoin connaître. Sister Wood Pontura?
I think it's D.
Okay, you think it's D. Pour qui ça? Nous pensons que c'est D. Why? D is correct, but why?
Because term insurance if I build cash value.
Mais sans pile, qui est-ce qui build cash value?
All life.
Universal life, whole life.
Whole life.
Thank you. Pas qu'à jamais nous examiner pour dire où est terme pour prendre cash value. No way. Okay, no way. All right, let's go to the next question. The next question. Which of the following is appropriate, most appropriate for a mortgage? Now, this one say which of the following. One of them is appropriate. Not, that means 3 of them is wrong, 1 is correct. That's a different type of question. Gon go do tout bagage ça vrai, une pas vrai, ça même do tout pas vrai, une vrai. C'est un deuxième type de question. Ce qu'on répond ça dit.
B.
OK, est-ce que c'est B as in boy ou bien D as in David?
No, boy. B as
Okay.
in boy.
Anybody else?
Most appropriate for mortgage. The most appropriate. Not universal. It's not labor term.
I'm gonna say it's B as in boy.
Okay. Anybody else? Sister Wood?
Okay, B.
Pour qui ça? Why? B is correct, but why? You gotta tell me why. Pour qui ça nous prend? Jim pour qui ça? Et B est correct, d'accord, c'est bien correct, mais pour qui ça?
Because when it's a decreasing term, the market can either go up or down.
That's not correct. Pour qui ça c'est B est bon?
Because là, on paye chaque première on paye en même temps à mortgage là, les decrease en face amount, on va dire.
D'accord, ça, on t'y crasse. Mais là, on mortgage qui sort.
On loan?
Thank you.
It decreases the loan. My bad.
Si m'avait dit loan samedi.
Debt.
C'est ça pour nous dire.
Debt.
Decrease.
Parce que, pas juste dire réponse ça parce que je ne pas prendre la main, nous comme ça, nous comprenons ça. Nous sommes professeurs qui tough, les m'a fait test.
Yes, Mr. Examiner.
Okay, for the why, for the price of one. Pas just one, for the why. I need to know. Let's go. Here's the next one.
Ela não complot avec State Examiner yo tout, oui.
Si me donne un madame expliquer, si me donne là, madame expliquer nous les comme ça.
That's C for number 3.
Anybody else?
Let's continue. To pay. Nice. This coverage continue for to pay. This coverage continue for them to pay.
The answer is gonna be
Limited.
I'm gonna go with 100,000.
Where's the 100,000? Alex, number 2.
Number 3.
Oh,
How you
shoot,
get there?
I'm sorry.
We're here. Okay.
I'm sorry.
How long does the coverage continue for limited pay life? Combien de temps? Coverage a duré. L'autre mon limited pay. Whole life policy.
The answer is A. No, I'm sorry. No. C.
C'est Marie-Lude?
Yes, in Charlie.
Woman qui peut répondre?
Ouais, même. Yeah, limited pay whole life. Let's see.
It is C, but why? C'est root ou t'es répondre avant why?
Why get the one with the bed?
Plaît-il? Pour que ça deaf or age 100, why? Okay,
Want me to answer?
Mount Sister Root. Okay, Alex, go ahead. Why?
Because the death has to occur first. I mean, if it doesn't occur first, the policy will go to 100. I think that's when it matures at 100, and then you can either take the death benefit at that point. Is that correct? Kind of.
Sim go limited pay, ça veut dire.
It pays out for the life of the policy.
Anybody else?
I don't know.
A limited pay. And it tell you, this one, lucky, it tell you is a whole life.
Yeah.
Can't they say for a whole life? It lasts how long?
100.
So I'm just going policy, qui pay, qui go limit. I pay it, but there's a limit. Except il pas dire exactement combien de limite là est. Now, si they dim life paid about 865, then B tap correct. Si they dim 20 pay, A tap correct.
Done.
But since li pas dim,
I'm back.
amount non, c'est même qu'on est la place until age 100.
Yeah.
Parce que donc pour combien de temps? How long does the coverage continue? Il va me dire combien de temps payer non, il m'a dit how long, combien de temps on fait payer. Il va me dire ça. Il me dit combien de temps il dirait, qui dirait par si ça, si on limited pay. En bien, il faut qu'on ait li là jusqu'à ce qu'on vienne 100 ans. Li couvre jusqu'à 100 ans. That's what that means.
Sorry, excusez-moi, me défend ti déplacer, baguette autant d'explication ba là.
Okay, me
Sorry.
demande pour qui ça dépend C. Why did you take C? C was correct, but why did you pick it?
Oh, ou te dit avant la classe son whole life
Yeah.
policy.
And tout whole life, you dire combien de temps?
Il va limiter.
Si je whole life policy, combien de temps le dit? Pour combien de temps m'a bien couverture à fort?
Oh, 100 ans.
On met ça pour dire.
Ouais.
Seulement, il y a mon limite pour me payer.
Yes.
Number 4.
Now you try to confuse me too when malgré ça you met on limited pay whole life.
Of course. True.
You allow me limited pay website.
What think about what is that?
Oh Lord.
Now, même quand on met whole life là, son whole life lié. Et si on met le tout côté tout dos ça lié. That's a keyword. Si tu as fait ça, you got 3 points même. You want to supposer même mettre whole life là. This just mettre on limited pay life. Et cela t'a confusé net. Et ça qu'on va poser baoul. Mais pour ça on met whole life là, il y a deux qui ça lié. Ça veut dire que tu as deux dire ça. Automatiquement whole life là, tu peux connaître automatiquement ça. On vient faire trop facile pour.
To be honest with you, a whole life that the same choose somewhere.
Okay.
Ernest, limited 20 pay. Limited.
Well, if they put a 20 pay, that's mean A was going to be correct. That's exactly what that says. You're going to pay for 20 years, or if you die before the 20 years, or sometimes they can put the life period at age 65. And if they put that in the question, B can be correct too.
You're about to jump.
Okay, now let me show you another thing they can tell you. They can say this. Which of the following is an example of a limited pay? Or they can say all of the following is an example of limited pay. They can do that. And they can give you this answer, they can give you this answer, they can give you this answer. You have to be very careful. Depending how they word the question. Okay, let's go for number 4, please.
My answer is B.
I think A.
The answer is A.
My answer is B.
Okay, so I didn't hear the answer. Okay, I heard somebody say B.
B, as in boy.
B as in boy. Who else?
A.
Anybody else?
And I say A too.
Alex, you say A too?
Yeah, I said A.
Okay, let me see. A is correct, but why?
A is correct because it's a whole life policy, number one, and then the purchase of the cash value has grown, but the insured died. So the insurance company basically has to pay the amount that was agreed upon during the time that insured was alive. Does that make sense?
Correct.
Okay.
And same thing. If it was an annuity, they would pay whichever is higher, so they will always pay the $100,000 because except the company keeps this money. It's not yours. Because if you die, you get the death benefits because the death benefit is $100,000. The cash value is that's money you can borrow against while you're living. Okay, let's do the next one. Number 5. Now this one say which of the following is incorrect. So one of them is incorrect. 3 of them is correct. Because sometimes you watch the exam and you missed it.
I'm gonna go with answer as A, that they may increase or decrease the face amount. It could be wrong though, but I don't know.
Anybody else?
Let me see. I think that means they allow for partial, region, or cylinder. Showing just cylinder. I was also confused. That means I think C. C. And questo del facciamo. Ah. Correct.
None is correct. This one I'm gonna help you guys with it because there's a things that I didn't is not in there. I'm gonna cover it here as well. When you see also universal life is the only type of policy that allowed to do a partial surrender. That's a true statement. Every time you see that, think of this one. So that's true. This is a true statement. You're looking for which one that's not correct. Même kem bat kovel. Remember that? Nous va changer ça, non?
Yes, ART, annual renewable term.
Vous changez ART à c'est notre type de policy honey?
Yes, and a graded.
You in a good policy and you find it where?
And a universal.
So that's no good. Ha. Even though if I didn't show you this, if you know what that is, then you should be able to pick that. It's B. The insurance portion is ART, annually renewable term. And I did cover that. You guys got it? Put that in your notes. The insurance portion of it, it's ART, annually renewable term. So annually renewable term. Remember I told you it's a term policy, then plus a cash account to give you universal. So it's not a whole life policy. The policy itself, it's a whole life. But they take a term policy plus a cash account to give you the universal life. Est-ce que vous ne comprenez?
This one is a little confused.
Ça veut dire, on universal life assurance, normalement, ou besoin connaître son whole life policy lié. Mais partie assurance là, li pas un whole life. Parce que son term lié, parce que utilisent un annually renewable term, parce que renouvelle les parties assurance chaque année. C'est ça que fait l'homme go universal life insurance can ask for more money. You're gonna get to a point. Let me see what happened. L'on achète universal life. On dit à 30 ans. Premium dans tes couteaux, $40. On dit sous ta paye $50 par mois. Okay? You paying $50 a month. But vous voyez $40 pour coûter pour policy. Ça veut dire l'autre $10 qu'on coûte $10 aller, là non cash value. Cause vous avez un surplus de $10. L'autre 31 premium dans monter encore 41. Nous nous regardons cash value parce que vous voyez seulement $50. Combien de cash value qu'on a $9. L'autre 32 premium dans goes up again $42. On exemple comme moto. Combien vous voyez $50 aller encore? Combien vous connaissez cash value qu'on a? On dit là 39 ans. Première policy avec une cote qu'on a, l'âge monte 39. Ou vient voir $50, les policy à coûte $50. Combien qu'on a cash value? 0. Là vient dans 41. Je mets 45. Ah, 41. On dit première vient coûte $51. Combien qu'on vous aller? Un bon négatif $1. Vous go to prendre dans cash value pour payer. That's why I hate those policies.
I think you confused me.
Okay? So, c'est comme ça, c'est ça fait this a complex policy. That's why you say every year the premium goes up. Because why? Your age goes up. That's why it's an ART. Somebody qui fait automatically guarantee renewable. Ou pas penser qu'on va faire test. No. They don't do that. The cost of insurance goes up every year. C'est ça fait, that was the target premium or that was the minimum premium you're supposed to pay. Because now, lot of us say that was the target, but the minimum premium was what? 40. Then the minimum become this. Minimum become that. But the policy end up lapsing. Why? Because the insurance becomes so expensive. Oops, that's not the answer. Because the insurance becomes so expensive because you are an ART. That's why we tell people, if you buy that, you don't understand what you're buying. You need a good financial person that knows insurance to explain that to you. If you have a policy like that, you better talk to an agent. If you don't know, you call me or you send it to me, I'll review it for you. And I'll tell you exactly what it is. I didn't make the rule, that's the rule. So, it's not a whole life. The insurance portion of it, if they did ask you what kind of insurance is universal life is, now that is some whole life policy. Now that's some whole life policy. Whole life. You want to qui qualité, ça y est. Mais you want to qui portion, the portion, the insurance portion, parce que c'est deux bagages liés. Gon cash account, gon insurance component. You want to assurance, partie assurance qui ça lié en bel son ART. Mais au universal life, son whole life policy. That was a tough one for you. I'm sorry. Okay. So be careful on that. Flexible premium. Make sure you be very careful on that. That's how I'm going to speak in the company. Okay. Okay, increase and decrease the face amount. That's true. There is a partial surrender. That's true. And also the death benefits. You have two options. 1, 2. That's correct. Okay. Make sure you get that. Sorry for this one. At least now you got it. Let's go number 6.
The last one, I think C. The death of the last
Anybody
one.
else? Anybody else? Oh, everybody else sleeping, I guess. No more, Alex? Let me see.
Hello?
Oh, yeah.
Nobody's sleeping. We hearing this.
Talking about two Paris.
Number 6. That's what we're doing.
Survivor life. C.
A, joint life. Oh, wait a minute. The policy that insures 2 or more lives and pays on the death of the last insured is a, oh no, that's C, survivorship.
And the insert key, they won because they put it's B, but it's not B. If I send you access to this book, believe me, it's not. Last to die is a survivorship life. It's not B. I don't know where they get that B from. On your book, the book is incorrect. If he was first, the policy that paid 2 or more and pays the definite on the last, that's last, survivorship. If he was first, then he was going to be joint life, Alex. That's a survivorship. But the book, that question.
Wait, what happened? Wait. I was right?
No.
No, I said joint life.
The answer is survivorship.
No, I switched my answer after I read it and I said survivorship.
Oh.
You didn't hear me?
No.
Oh,
yes,
nobody witnessed? Oh, okay,
yes,
thank you.
Okay. That's last to die or second to die. The book says group on your answer key. That's a mistake. Let's go to the next one. 7.
Éliminer dit.
All right, I'm gonna go A.
Anybody else?
Yeah, I think it's A. Nous éliminer dit pas là-dedans.
Okay. Anybody else? Alex, what you got?
Yes. Which of the type of the policies build cash value that is placed in a separate account where it is invested in stocks, bonds, and other securities? Oh, that's a giveaway, man. That's A, verbal life.
Yeah.
That's A. Because A can do security and it can do bonds. The index life could be it too, but I think it's A. It's separate accounts. Yep.
I hope you like that. I hope you like that. Okay. All right. So let's continue. Number 8. So go ahead, do 8 for me right quick.
C.
That's, yeah, except, yeah, I think C too.
Annuitant. Mm-hmm. Let's go.
Everybody answer the question yet?
I think C too.
We said C. Annuitant. Annuity except.
C is not correct. Because C does not provide
All
protection because it's fixed.
Sure.
I apologize. It's the answer is D. I'm sorry. D.
They only assume.
All of them are true except.
Don't forget, this is fixed.
Gee.
Fixed annuity. Fixed annuity.
I'm sorry. It's A. The interest rate is
I
guaranteed.
think that I said A. I believe it's A for me.
The interest rate is guaranteed. It's not guaranteed because it moves up and down.
But it fits.
The interest rate is guaranteed. They only assume the investment risk.
It's not A.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, then it's back to my last answer, which is B. The premium is invested in a shared general account.
Now you're guessing.
No, it is.
D as in boy. D as in boy. I mean, D as in boy.
It's based on the general account. That's, I think, is the fixed one. Oh Lord.
Where would you find the general account?
The fixed annuity.
Where would you find the guarantee?
Fixed. So
if it's not,
answer is D. They assume the investment risk.
That's the owner.
I said D at the beginning. You don't hear me.
Oh, that's the insurance, the company. The what is?
Yes, because the insurance, not the owner. The insurance company.
Yes.
But Ernest, I said D the first time. You didn't hear me?
I hear you, but you're not sure about your answers.
But you got to go with my first answer.
No, I'm not going to tell you it's right. I'm not.
You're the teacher.
No, I'm not going to tell you you're right. If you for sure, because why would you, even though I know some people didn't answer, I didn't say D. I didn't say it's not correct. When you say C, I say it's not correct. Why did you go to the guaranteed and it's fixed? And I even put that. Why didn't you change it to this one?
Okay, well, I went with my first answer.
When you say potato, it doesn't matter how they do it. You should know it's potato. Either bouillil, that's why I met you should put that sweet potato. Ou fril, ou boucanen. That's what you got to get. You don't have to change your answers.
Got it.
All right. So now let me just put it up so we can do, let me see, hopefully we can do the next three and we'll call it a day. Okay, this one is 11. Oh, okay. All right, let's go 9. Number 9. This question you have to read between the line to get it. So that will make you think a little bit deeper of it.
No, accumulation period, which means it can only be purchased with a C. These are complicated. I think, which means it can only be purchased with
Anybody else?
purchase single premium.
I believe the answer is going to be. Oh, this is number 9. That's already on number 10. An immediate annuity has no accumulation period, which means it can only be purchased with a what? No accumulation. So then an immediate should be single.
Single.
C. C as in Charlie. C as in coach.
C is correct. Because this is an immediate, but there's no accumulation period. That's when the person give a lump sum. Single mean lump sum. They give you a sum of money. Because those two, you find them in periodic, or is level premium or flexible premium. A variable premium also means the same thing with this one, with the flexible premium. So this one could be eliminated very quickly. All right, go to the next one. Which of the following is false about variable annuity? So 3 of them is true, 1 is not correct. Let's go. We're gonna finish this. Let's go. You're almost there. Let's go, guys.
This one, the answer is
there is no guarantee. There is no guarantee. Premium false. Which one? B? There is no guarantee of annuity value or beneficial. B. That's a guarantee annuity of 100. I think guarantee. I'm gonna go with B. No.
B as in boy?
Yes.
Okay, anybody else?
Oh, too much. Jesus Christ.
it says B.
Sister Ruth?
Oui. C'est B, un contingent fait sens pour moi, m'ba konnen.
It's not correct.
Why?
B, I will go
Because
here.
B is correct because there is no guarantee. There is. You see, there is no guarantee of annuity value or benefits.
Oh,
Because if it is variable, there is no guarantee because of the investment. It goes up and down. I cannot guarantee anything because it varies. So B is a true statement.
Yes, C. Hello. What's it? Yeah.
He hasn't coach.
C. C, because D are correct.
Why C?
Because it's the premium. Because A are true, D true.
D is true, correct.
Yeah. And then
And A is correct. Yep.
yeah.
Because it doesn't say that. It never said that he was going to invest it into a real estate. What's that? Mortgage. It just said you're going to invest in stocks or in the market. It didn't say specific things. That's been specific. That's a real estate mortgage. That's too specific. So variable annuity. It invests into the market. So it can be in anything. As long as you invest in the market. And remember, when something is very, no guarantee. Because it's very. The one that have guarantees, the one that fixed. If it was fixed, yes.
Oh, okay.
That's why you should never pick this one. Because very doesn't give any guarantee. Because it varies. Go 11. So we can be finished that.
Okay.
Is that C?
C is in Charlie.
C, yeah.
Somebody loot?
Yes.
Which one is yours?
Oh no.
That's a
Yes, C.
Why?
Because it's the correct one.
I love that. I love how you put it, sister. I love it. Yeah, it's the correct one. It's the right one. That's why it's right.
Because it again, accumulation, it again cash value. And then
Taki grader.
yeah.
Yeah, because if the person died, the annuitant died, they're gonna get whatever the premium they pay, or they're gonna get the cash value, whichever is higher.
Yeah.
Look at that what happened. C. Sometimes you're gonna test questions. There's no way I can get all those in the exam. You can't do that. This question have nothing to do with this question, nothing to do with this question. So you can't say, oh, because I kept having find C, now let me just change the answers. You can't do that. You can't do that. You're just dealing with that one question. You're dealing with that question, stay there. Because sometimes you have a tendency, and they knew that. Sometimes you might start doing the test, and you say, oh man, this is B. Then the next one is B again. The next one is B again. And you start thinking, oh, there's no way. There's no way all of them can be B.
I'm good.
Okay?
All right.
Because
Thank you so much.
All right. So that's that. So now, just waiting for the next chapters. The next chapter is the very tested. It's gonna be over like 20 something questions. So when I'm doing that, I'll let you guys know.
Chapter 3.
You guys gonna jump in.
That's a big That's a big test.
All right.
Read the book, guys.
Thank you so much.
I used to be bad at chapter 3. I'm good now, right, Ernest?
Yes.